As a measure of abundant caution, the Department of Women and Child Welfare released a set of 19 guidelines to mitigate these concerns. On our part, to create awareness about these guidelines, Amara Saundarya Foundation is creating a series of virtual cultural events. The first of these events was a Rangoli competition with the guidelines as the theme. We have received several entries from all over the country. Let's take a quick look at them. I'm sure you all agree that all those entries you saw were absolutely excellent. By participating, these artists have done their bit in creating awareness. As such, they're all winners. However, this being a competition, we do need to give out prizes. The judges for this competition were Srimati Gayatri and Srimati Saumya, who in their own right are excellent Rangoli artists. And we have with us to announce the results of the competition, Srimati Saumya. Ma'am, if you could please announce.
Good morning, all. I'm glad that myself and Gayatri ma'am got the privilege to judge the Rangolis, which was organized last week virtually. I would like to thank all the participants who have done an amazing work. I should say each one of you deserve a big round of applause. Let's all give a big round of applause to them. It was very challenging task yours to judge the winners, as each one of you had done amazing work and the message was very clear. We thank you all once again for participating, and here goes the names of the winners. So let me start from third prize. Third prize goes to Tenamoli. The colors used were very attractive, dark colors, and also you have conveyed the message with most of the guidelines. Congratulations, ma'am. A big round of applause to her. And second prize goes to Shashikala Nagarajan. You have applied the traditional concept of Rangoli, which has been highlighted along with conveying the message about the views affecting the whole world. Once again, congratulations, ma'am. And to announce the first prize goes to Miss Mohini. A detailed strokes and shading of colors done in your art. Message conveyed here tells us about unity in strength. Let's together beat the virus with maintaining social distancing. So congratulations, Mohini. Last but not least, I would like to announce honorable mentions, which I'll be announcing now. It goes like this. Manjunath Laknawar and Rachna Nagendra, Padma Priya and Monica. So we have chosen them as honorable mentions. On behalf of Amara Saundarya Foundation School, We would like to congratulate all the winners.
Very happy to inform you that the participants and the winners will be receiving prizes. The first prize will be receiving rupees 2,000. The second prize will be receiving rupees 1,500, and the third prize will be receiving rupees 1,000. The three honorable mentions will be receiving rupees 500 each. But like I said, irrespective of whether they won a prize or not, they've done their bit to create awareness about what might be a very, very important thing in the near future. And for this, we're very, very thankful. And I believe they deserve another very big round of applause for taking the efforts to do this. We would really appreciate it if all three of the participants, the winners, would like to share a few words with us. The first prize winner.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am Mohini Narkhede.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, all of you.
Mohini is from Madhya Pradesh, and and we're really happy that she joined us from all the way over there and participated in an event conducted from Bangalore. It only goes to show that our fight against it isn't localized or based on any small group, but as a country as a whole. And this is a great reflection of that. So thank you so much for participating, and a very hearty congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
The second prize winner, would you like to share a few words with us?
Very good morning to all, sir. I am happy. I am very happy. This competition was I like so much, sir. So thank to our team. Thank you so much, sir. My name is Thenmozhi. I'm in Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. So thank you, sir.
We also thank you for the participation in the event and wonderful art, man. Thank you so much. Manjunath sir. Good morning, sir. Manjunath sir.
Very good morning, and a very good morning to all. First of all, I thank Amara Saundarya Foundation for organizing such a very beautiful event, and also giving us so beautiful opportunity to all the artists over the country. And it's a good way of creating awareness about this pandemic through the art. It's a unique one. I haven't seen such awareness. We created awareness just by using the placards and just by using the banners and all, but using art as a tool to create awareness, it's a wonderful way of gesture. So I thank all the organizers and the team, and also I congratulate to the co-winners, and thank you so much, sir. I'm very happy that I received the honorable prize. Thank you so much.
Can we have Rachna ma'am? Ayutthaya?
Good morning, everyone. I'm happy that you have given me the prize, and thanks to Amara Saundarya Foundation for giving us an opportunity to participate in such a beautiful event. We were able to showcase the talent staying at home, participate with so many people around the country. And we were able to learn so much from this, how others think and their new ideas, creative ideas about Rangoli. So I was very happy to be a part of this program. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again.
Thank you to all the participants, and a big congratulations to them.
Satvik, Shankar here.
Yes.
Shankar here. I'm sorry, I had to leave. I just wanted to wish all the participants all the best, and good luck to all of you for such a fantastic initiative. I just need to step into another meeting, but I just want to wish all of you all the best. Good luck. This is a fantastic initiative from Amara Saundarya, and fantastic creativity from all the people who are there. And I'm really amazed at the work which I saw just now. And I wish that you will continue doing this, because this pandemic is very challenging, and such initiatives will keep the morale of everybody who is participating high. And please continue to do that. So thank you, Satvik. Sorry, I'm not able to stay for long.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. Shankar sir was supposed to be one of the guests today, but like he said, he's having to take leave, and that's understandable. If I may just briefly introduce him, he's currently the president of Rotary Rajmahal Vilas. He's an international corporate trainer and the chairperson of Multiple Sclerosis Society of Bangalore. Apart from this, he's also an ardent photographer and a philanthropist. So having these many things on his plate, we completely understand his schedule is quite hectic. Also, we're very grateful that you made the time to come and talk with us, sir, and to wish all the participants. Thank you so much. And we're always grateful for your support.
Yeah. Thank you, Satvik, Nirmala. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Back to the Rangoli competition for just a minute. We'd have to extend a very, very big thank you to Mr. KC Prakash. It is because of him that we have these prizes today. Mr. Prakash works as a manager in a private company and has also been an LIC agent for over 16 years. He has very kindly offered to sponsor these prizes. But I would also like to mention that this is not the first time he has made such generous contributions, but has been doing so regularly for over the past year. For this, we're very grateful. Prakash ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅಮರ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಂದೇನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ದೈವ ಕೃಪೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯತೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಕೈಲಾದ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ನನಗೇನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಶಂಸೆ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಗವಂತನಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir. We were just speaking outside, and the thing that my mother said about him was really heartwarming. She said his introduction might be that he is working with LIC or a private company, but the truest and the most accurate introduction of him would be that he is the most human person ever. He's concerned about the people around him. He's concerned about society. And even if he says what he has done isn't a big deal, we all know the effort he has taken to do this is truly heartwarming. Sir, tumba thank you. We're very happy to have you with us.